You can see here it is early spring in the rhubarb patch. We've got some early rhubarb just starting to come up. It's been coming up for a few weeks now. Once the soil temperatures started to hit in the 40s, this started to come up. And you can see we've got some good growth. We're still quite a ways off from harvesting this though. We would want this to be between 10 and 18 inches before we would harvest that. And that would be the length of the stalks. But what we're really here to talk about today is whether or not you can eat rhubarb if it gets frosted in the spring. So you may or may not have heard this or seen it or read it, but there's kind of this old wisdom, old wives' tale sort of thing that goes around saying that you can't eat rhubarb after it's been frosted. Now, is that true? Yes and no, and mostly no. What do I mean by that? So first of all, when we say frosted, we're typically referring to, a light frost that gives you a layer of light, kind of misty ice over your windshield, over the plants. Obviously, frost-sensitive plants are going to fall victim to it, are going to die off, but it won't kill something as hardy as rhubarb. So rhubarb, like I said, this starts growing when, early spring, when the soil temperatures are still pretty cold. Usually, like, this is coming up around or even before when garlic starts to come up. Really one of the earliest plants that's going to come up in the spring. So if we're talking about a frost, which is just a light covering because, the temperatures dip down around 32 degrees, then no. In that case, rhubarb is not going to be damaged enough to render it toxic or inedible. But if you're talking about a hard freeze, something more in the range of lower than 28 degrees, really lower than 25 degrees for 2 or more hours overnight, in Fahrenheit, obviously. But if you're talking about a hard freeze like that, then yes, your rhubarb plants could be damaged enough that you should not eat it. So what's the problem? Well, the problem, as we know, we don't eat rhubarb leaves, right? Because they contain oxalic acid, which is toxic. So when we do harvest rhubarb, we only eat the stalks. We cut or break off the leaves. Those can go in the compost. It is safe to compost them. And then we only eat the stalks. During a hard freeze, that oxalic acid can get drawn down into the stalks of the plants, so there could be oxalic acid in the stalks. This isn't going to happen with just a regular frost because rhubarb are hardier than that and they take the regular frost better than that. But the hard freeze will cause damage. In the fall when this happens, it kills off the plant and it won't come back for that season. It will come back in the next year, but it will send it into dormancy and then it will have its winter rest period. But in the spring, this could happen because, again, that rhubarb is up really early when, I'm definitely getting frosts here for another 4 weeks. Sometimes we've had them even into June, but this doesn't kill or harm the plant. So the easy way to tell this is to look for damage on the leaves. Now you can see these leaves are plenty hardy, plenty tough. They're thriving, they're growing. These are still in good shape. So obviously there's been no hard cold damage here. And the other thing to look at would be the stalks. The stalks need to be stiff and firm and upright. But if they're bending over, if they're mushy, if they're discoloring, then no, don't eat those because that means they have experienced probably a hard freeze and there could be oxalic acid in it. Now, if that happens, is your harvest lost? Is your rhubarb season done? Your plant too damaged? And the answer again is no. You simply pull off any of the damage, the hard, cold, damaged stalks and leaves, put them in the compost, and your plants are going to grow again because now they're in a growing phase. They're not going into dormancy like they will in the fall. You can actually continue to harvest a light harvest through the summer and fall from rhubarb as long as you're leaving enough for the plant to feed and grow itself for the next year. But in the fall, once a hard freeze has hit, you need to be done. It won't come back. It's not going to grow new stalks, not to any appreciable degree. So it's not going to rebound. But in the spring, it's going to because that is the phase it's in. It's the growing phase. So very simply, yes, you can certainly eat your rhubarb after a light frost. If you're getting a hard freeze, which you probably won't get that late, but it could happen, then you need to discard those stalks and wait for it to push up and grow new stalks again, which it will do. And with a little patience, you can still enjoy a really wonderful rhubarb harvest.